Guys, I'm gonna work a miracle and get my hair from looking like this to looking like this. What's up, seashells? It's Shelby and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today we're going to be installing some hair from EayonHair, and you're probably wondering how are you gonna do that? I don't know. I have 2 scoops of hair. I have 5 packs of Burmese crochet hair. I've never worn Burmese curly hair before, so I was really excited to try it. And listen guys, I have a method, but stay with me, stay with me. So we have 2 clips, we have a rat tail comb, we have a pink edge brush, and we have the crochet needle or crochet hook, whatever you want to call it. I am nervous. I'm so nervous. When you take the hair out of the packaging, this is what it looks like. The curl pattern is so pretty. It feels so soft. Like, look at the curls at the bottom. These are so pretty. So this is what it looks like. Is what one looks like. Obviously I ain't got no hair, right? But I do have a hairnet. Took the hair into the hairnet and I put it on my head, kind of like a wig. I may like leave out the front of mine for leave out. I don't know how much sense it makes right now because again, I have 2 scoops of hair and it's a totally different color. So I might have to put like eyeshadow on my hair or something because I don't have any black spray to make it blend, in case I want to show you guys how it would look without a headband, because I know ultimately I'm gonna have to put a headband on. So we're gonna section off. That this is so unserious. Okay, I think I want to put a wig cap on first. Do not judge my wig cap. I'm judging my wig cap. Why it look like this? Okay, so I'm gonna do the perimeter of my head first and see what it looks like, and then I'm gonna fill in the blanks in here. Just stay with me. I promise you, it's gonna make sense. I'm not even remember. Oh, murder. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the perimeter done. We can figure this out, right? Right. So that's what that looks like. So we're gonna go ahead and fill out these middle spots. One pack isn't even finished yet, so that's really good. I really need somebody. Sierra. Tell me you get somebody. I don't care about your life. Yes, sir. Let the way you touch my body. Yes, sir. Run it back, get body. I never tell nobody. All I want is you, boy. All I want is you. All I need is you, boy. All I need is you. It's just me and you, boy. It's just me and you. I really need somebody. Tell me you that somebody. Baby, tell me what you in the mood for. Tight shit, we should get a room for it. Got me in the mirror getting cute for it. Lay back, let me show you what I do for it. Pull out the ballet in a new toy. Blow back, now we kissing in the food court. You the type that I would've skipped school for. This year I got you on my mood board. I wanna live in your skin. When I jump out, you jump in. Hot fit, I this in my pants. Same way I put you in my plans. Let the fact that we just friends. And I hate that we just friends. Round 2, he want revenge. Over and over again and again. Can you? I really need somebody. I'm gonna do this on my wig head. I will get my wig head. Here's my wig head. There we go. See? All right. Now we can do this. Now we can do this. So let's hurry up because this is like get to me now. Tell me you get somebody. I don't care about your bodies. Let the way you touch my body. Front of it, get body. I never tell nobody. All I want is you, boy. All I want is you. All I need is you, boy. All I need is you. It's just me and you, boy. It's just me and you. All right, this is 2 packs of hair. We have 3 more packs. Ooh. Let's see how this goes, because she's looking a little sparse. All right, guys, this is 3 packs down. So I have all of this left to do. I have 2 packs left. Ooh, very full, very nice. So I think the 2 packs can finish this. So let's hop to it. I don't think I'm going to do them so close again because yeah, I don't want to run out. This is 4 packs. 4 packs. And you see how this look? I think I may have done them too close together. So you know, this last pack, I'm just gonna have to like space them out. Okay. Yeah, I there's a lot of holes. Okay, there's a lot of holes in this thing, but this is what 4 3/4 packs of hair looks like. Honestly, call it the 5 packs because this is all that's left, but I'm tired. I don't feel like doing anymore. So this is what it looks like. Let's put this bad boy on my head and yeah. Whoa. So this is what the hair looks like. Ooh. Ooh, chill. I may have to put a black cap under this. Wait, the curls are so pretty, but yeah. This is a lot of hair. I low-key wish I just used like 3 packs. This is a lot of hair. Ooh, she's tea. She's tea. She is so like, bro, this is so much hair. If I stretch this, it is actually waist length. This is a lot of hair. I love it. I love some big curly hair. Okay, so this is the finished results. Obviously I had to put the headband there because I just could not figure out how to blend my hair with this. Yeah, it wasn't working out. I also do recommend using smaller, but the holes in my hairnets were just way too big, so it will result in this. I'm sure there's a way you could probably like weft these under to, yeah, I'm gonna reach this end of life yet. I really love the texture of this hair. It is very soft. This is straight out of the pack. Obviously I didn't wash it because I was really impatient and I just wanted to slap it on my head. I just used a tiny bit of mousse on the outer edges just because it was frizzing up a little bit. This is straight out of the pack. I can't wait until my hair grows and I can actually put it in my head. The length is perfect. I love how long it is. Waist length? Are you kidding me? EayonHair, you get a 10 out of 10 from me. If you want the link to this hair, don't forget to click the link in my description box so you can go straight to their website. Thank you so much to EayonHair for sponsoring your girl's video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!